In this video, we'll cover two concepts: applying alignment to your Prezi and also building a viewing path to your Prezi. You've read the article about alignment in the previous section of this step, which basically talks about creating crisp visual lines to link items together in a presentation or on a page. You can see that I've added some more text and a frame here to our presentation on amazing moments in Yankee history. And I've tried to go in and add some simple alignment principles. Basically, I've created a crisp edge along the top here, created a crisp edge along the sides here, lined the text up with those edges to give the presentation a much more crisp and professional look. These aren't complicated concepts. They're very, very simple, and I'm by no means a professional designer. But you can see immediately that adding alignment principles to any kind of presentation improves the overall look of the piece. Once you've got that done with your presentation, the next thing we'll want to explore is to create a viewing path. This is a sequence that the viewer can view your presentation in, or you can control the flow of the presentation as you're giving it to a group of people. To add a path to a Prezi, you click on the Path button. By default, it's adding to Add. We haven't talked about frames yet, but you can click on the edge of a frame to create a view of all the items in that. You'll learn how to add frames in the next piece. And basically, you can just click on items to add them to your flow. As you'll see down below, you get a visual clip of what your Prezi is going to look like when you click the forward arrow to that next stage. So we've got our two main frames here. Let's click on this image here for number 3. Let's click number 4 to Baseball's Greatest Games, number 5, and then we'll finish with the YouTube video. You may be saying, well, what if I wanted to switch something around? Well, if I want to switch an image, you can just click on the little thumbnail down below and drag it to a different spot in the order. If you want to take something out, you can just click the X, and that will remove it from the path. Zoom back into that home look there. If I want to add something, if you'll notice in these presentational sections, there's a little dot between the 1 and the 2, and between the 4 and the 5. And I can just click on that dot and drag it. That one's in the way there. But I can click on the dot and drag it to the next item, and basically put those items in any order that I want to. So if you want to add something, just click and drag the dot in the middle. If you want to delete one, hit the X. If you want to change the order, just drag and change the order around. If you want to clear it all and start over again, hit delete all. I can't show you this on the screen capture video because it will explode to a larger view. But when you're done, to see what your path is going to look like, click on Show and Start Presenting, and then click the forward arrow to move through your path. Hope that helps.